Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing you some mobile tips and tricks for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which you can try with the other Samsung Galaxy models also. So I will be showing you in this video how you can work on the split screen, and if you have to use two different apps or software, I can show you how you can do that. It's very easy. So these are the different apps. So what you can do is just open up on the bottom left, just click on that, and you can see different. For example, I have the eBay. Just click on that on the top, so it will be showing you that open in the split screen view. So click on that. So now eBay is on my top screen, and on the bottom it gives me option which one I have to open. So there are quite a few options. I can choose any of that. So so you can choose any as per your choice. So for example, I am choosing the let's say internet browser. So I have the browser at the bottom, and I have the eBay on the top. So on the, you know in the middle, you can see the three dots. So just click on that, and you can see one up and down arrow button. So if you press that, you can swap the screen. See, now eBay is at the bottom and the browser is on the top. And same way, if you do it again, you can again swap. And on this three dot, if you see the right side, you just press that. So that way your combination is saved. So that way, whenever you want to work with the same very combo, you don't need to select every time. So for example, I will show you on the top left. Just slide that, and you can see this combination, eBay and the web browser. So if I click that, straightway it will be open. So you can make your own combinations, and you can add as many as you want, and you can delete those one. So hopefully you like this video. Please watch other videos for the mobile tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.